Hey guys, here in North Carolina, we love our chili cheese dogs, and we're gonna do them Duplin style. We got all kinds of fixings for these, some onions, some mustard, all kinds of stuff. The star though is gonna be the chili. So we're gonna let these cook, and we're gonna go inside and make our chili. Let's go. All right, so we've got our hamburger browning, and what you wanna make sure you do is chop it up really small. You want more of a hot dog consistency chili, not like your soup and beans chili that you go to all those type of contests for. So we got that really small, chopped up there. Now what we want to do is we want to add some spices. So we got a little bit of cumin here, some garlic powder, some oregano. Tell you what, for the full recipe, go online to our website and I'll tell you exactly what we've got in there. The last thing though we want to do, we want to add a little bit more heat to this. So we're going to add our muscadine pineapple habanero salsa that we make here at Duplin. Pour that right in there. And then we're just gonna mix this all up. And you wanna let this cook about 10 minutes or so, because you want this, the consistency of a nice chili, hot dog chili. Because you don't want it too runny, you don't want it too thick, you don't want your bun all soggy, but you also don't want it super dry. So what you're gonna do is just keep an eye on it, and as that reduces to what you want for your particular hot dog, go for that. It's gonna be about 10 minutes or so. All right, guys, we got our hot dogs done, so we're gonna build this thing. First thing we wanna do, we wanna put some of our muscadine Carolina mustard barbecue sauce on here. We're gonna put that right on the bun. And then we're gonna grab one of our hot dogs. Now, I got some of these hot dogs, they're really done, they're a little bit charred, and some that aren't so charred. I don't like mine really charred, so I'm gonna use one that's not quite so charred. And then, these are huge hot dogs, jumbo hot dogs. They're big, they are not staying on the porch, but they do need a friend. So their friend is gonna be this chili. This chili is amazing. It's got, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love this when we taste it. Got a little bit of a sweet taste and then a kick at the end. Let's put a bunch of that on there. I like mine loaded, so let's load that up. All right, and we're gonna make this a chili cheese dog, so let's add a little bit of our nice, we got fine shredded cheese here, because this is gonna be a fine, fine hot dog, so let's get some of that on there. And then, I love onions. And this is a North Carolina thing, this chili cheese and onion. We're gonna throw some onions on top of that. Oh my gosh, this looks good. And I like a lot of onions. If you like your onions not raw, you can always grill these up a little bit. I like mine raw. And if you're feeling, a little bit frisky today, you can also add a little bit of our red pepper and onion relish. Now, personally, I'm not a relish person. It is good on here if you like relish, so you can always try that. Add some other stuff, whatever you guys want on this. But there's a hot dog. Now we're gonna taste it. All right, one more thing I wanna do. I wanna add a little bit more mustard on top. I like my dogs really mustardy. All right, big dog, you're ready to be devoured. Got chili. I get the salty taste of the dog first. Then that chili, you get that sweet taste. Kicking in right now with the heat of that habanero. Really kicks in there towards the end. I just got an onion, that cheese, all of that mixed together. This is one of the best hot dogs I've ever had, I'm serious. And it's not just because I made it, okay? I swear to God, this is good. You guys gotta try this. Definitely take this, backyard barbecue, invite some people over. You'll be a hit. But guys, until next time, you stay safe, keep those dogs in their house. See you on the other side. This is Frank, and I'm out.